Hello everybody, welcome to Monday. Well, we had a pretty good day today. The S&P 500 was up almost 1.5%. And this is after spending the entire weekend reading articles, most of which were pointing out how poorly the market was going to do going forward because of all these deteriorating issues, the rising virus count and all these things. And the market, of course, does just the opposite. It opens up and it goes even higher throughout the day. And so I think one of the most amazing things about today is really who led. For the past 3 weeks, it has really been the type of things that we have for the most part in our targeted index. And we've been consistently able to beat the S&P 500 with those. Today, that's not true. Most of the target indexes did not do as well as the S&P 500. And there's a rotation into these other areas. Areas that did poorly in the downturn, small cap stocks, for example. And so what's important about understanding the leadership and watching for that is it kind of tells you where the market is in terms of risk. Why would you buy small cap stocks, which fell more in the last downturn, unless you felt like the market was going to do better? And so we're seeing a higher level of risk in terms of people's investment choices in the market, at least today. And so I think that's a good sign, actually. We'll see what happens going forward. But it's really fascinating to see how these things have been playing out here in this environment. We have that huge base of support, and we've been hitting that support and then bouncing up off of it, which is exactly what happened today. So far that's holding up. I worry that we hit it too often. We could see some issues, but so far that's been working, and maybe we keep going. So I think tomorrow will be really interesting to see if there's some follow through and see how this goes and whether we can kind of break out of this little range that we're in right now that's just above the old range that we used to have. And so I want to thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.